This VFD manages pumps and also integrates all the required functionalities of a conventional inverter booster pump. This VFD manages pumps and has an inline design for faster inverter pump assembling and installation. This VFD manages pumps and has an intuitive interface for smarter settings and indications. This VFD manages pumps and provides constant water pressure for better water usage experiences. This VFD manages pumps and reduces the operational noise for good night's sleep and a better life. This VFD manages pumps and saves energy for lower electricity bills and a better environment. This VFD manages pumps and provides all-around protection for pump's lifetime, extending and safer operations, and body cording. Kidding! This VFD manages pumps and has one-for-all design to adapt to most types and brands of water pumps. This VFD manages pumps and can work in multiple directions for flexible installations and pipeworks. This VFD manages pumps and is a smarter, easier and safer constant water pressure solution.